Digestive glands. Digestive glands associated with the alimentary canal include salivary gland, the liver, the pancreas. So first of all, we'll start with salivary gland. Saliva is mainly produced by three pairs of salivary gland, which is the parotid, the submaxillary or the submandibular, both are same, and sublingual. The parotids are located in the cheek area, the submaxillary are located in the lower jaw area, and sublingual are present below the tongue. In the diagram we can see this is the sublingual. As we can see, sublingual is below the tongue. This is the sublingual. Then submandibular or submaxillary, it is the lower jaw. And we have the parotids which are present in the cheek region. These three glands together form saliva and secrete saliva in the buccal cavity. They are not present in the buccal cavity, they are present outside the buccal cavity, and they secrete the saliva in buccal cavity. And there are total 6 salivary gland, that is 3 pairs. The next organ is liver. Liver is the largest gland of the body, which is approximately around 1.2 to 1.5 kg in an adult human. It is situated in the abdominal cavity just below the diaphragm and has 2 lobes, the left lobe and the right lobe. The hepatic lobules are the structural and functional unit of liver. The left and the right lobules are basically the basic unit which functions, and they have hepatic cells within them, and these cells are arranged in the form of cords. For example, if this is a hepatic cell, so they might be arranged somewhat like this in the form of cords. Not exactly like this, but by cord I mean like this structure. They are arranged like cords. This is a hepatic cell, this is a hepatic cell, and they all are arranged in the form of cords like this. The structure is not exactly like this. I am just giving an idea like what I mean by saying the word cord. They are arranged in the form of cord. So these cells, the hepatic cells, are arranged in the form of cord. The lobules contain the hepatic cell, and hepatic cells are arranged in the form of cord. Each lobule is covered by a thin connective tissue sheath known as the Glissen's capsule. So a thin sheath is present over this lobule, and the same goes for the left and right lobule. The bile is secreted by the hepatic cells. The bile juice we say is secreted by the hepatic cells. These cells I was talking about, the hepatic cells, and they pass through the hepatic duct and is stored and concentrated in a thin muscular sac called the gallbladder. So the hepatic cells will make bile, and they will pass from the liver, and with the help of hepatic duct, that is the left and the right hepatic duct, they will first go to gallbladder, and they will be stored here and then concentrated. The duct of the gallbladder, that is the cystic duct. This is the cystic duct, which is the duct of the gallbladder, and this is the hepatic duct. They both combine and form a common duct, and this common duct is known as common bile duct. So basically the main function of gallbladder is to store and concentrate bile. The bile duct and the pancreatic duct open together into the duodenum. Duodenum is a part of small intestine, as we have studied previously also, and basically a region of a small intestine. The bile duct and the pancreatic duct open into the duodenum as the common hepatopancreatic duct. This name is important, which is guarded by the sphincter, or called the sphincter of Oddi. I don't know the pronunciation, but sphincter of Oddi. Here we can see this is the common bile duct, this is the pancreatic duct. They both combine and they enter the duodenum region of the small intestine, and this common duct is known as hepatopancreatic duct.